The Falkland Islands is an archipelago located on the Patagonian Shelf in the South Atlantic Ocean. The islands are a self-governing overseas territory of the United Kingdom, with the UK being responsible for their defence and foreign affairs. The archipelago has a total area of 12,173 square kilometers and is made up of two large islands, West Falkland and East Falkland, and 776 other smaller islands. The islands have rugged coastline and for the most of part are rocky, hilly and covered with low shrubs and coarse grass. The total population of the Falkland Island is 3,485 and the Falkland Islanders are also the citizens of Britain. 57% of the total population are Christian, 35.4% do not follow any religion, 6% are unspecified, and 1.6% belong to Buddhism, Islam, and Baha'i. English is the official language and is spoken by 85% of the total population as their first language. As the population of Ireland consists primarily of British descent, around 10% speak Spanish, while less than 250 people speak other languages as their primary language. About 72% of the total population lives in Stanley, which is located on East Falkland and is the capital of the Falkland Islands, while rest of the population are scattered around the islands in form of small settlements. The islands have a population density of 0.286% per square kilometers and people drive on the left side of the road. The Falkland Islands have nominal GDP of $260 million, plus there is a huge reserve of oil under seabed surrounding the islands which could take its economy to a new height. The Falkland Island pound is used here, which has the same value as Great Britain pound. The Falklands used to be a part of Gondwana and broke away from it around 400 million years ago and started drifting westwards and became one of the most remote islands. The northern part of the archipelago is dominated by ranges of hills, running east to west with the highest point being 705 meters. There are no big rivers and the small rivers and streams occupy broad peat-covered valley. Some of these rivers are the Warren, the San Carlos, the Chartres and the Malo River. Lake Sulivan is the largest source of fresh water here, and the coastline are uneven and rocky. The islands experience cool and windy climate, which offers only small season variability. France, Britain and Spain had settlements on the islands. Britain first established its settlement in 1765 but left in 1774. They returned again in 1833 and expelled Argentinian officials living here, as Argentina had proclaimed its sovereignty over the islands in 1820 and still does. Argentina even invaded the Falklands in 1982 but was forced to surrender. In 2013, a referendum was held in which 1513 out of 1518 voted to remain a British territory.